Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your PS5 is taking forever to download games, or your update bar is literally stuck, don't stress. Today, I'm breaking down exactly why your PS5 downloads slow and the best tricks to speed it up instantly. So let's jump straight in. Part 1: Why PS5 downloads get slow. Alright, so first thing, slow downloads on PS5 are super common. Sometimes it's not even your console's fault. It could be Wi-Fi interference, router issues, background updates, or even a busy PlayStation network. And yeah, sometimes we blame Sony, but it's actually our network silently trolling us. To figure out the cause, we'll go step by step and fix each one. Part 2: Check your internet speed. Go to Settings, Network Connection Status, and test your internet. If your download speed is too low, restart your router for a fresh connection. A simple reboot can literally double the speed sometimes. Part 3: Use 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If your PS5 is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, your speed will be slower. Switch to the 5 GHz band. Even better? Use an Ethernet cable. A wired connection speeds up downloads more than anything. Part 4: Close background apps. If your PS5 is downloading while a game is running, your speed drops. Press the PS button, highlight the running game, press options, close game. Now check your download, you'll see the jump. Part 5: Pause and resume download. This sounds like a joke, but trust me, it works. Go to Downloads/Uploads, pause your download, wait 10 seconds and resume. Sometimes PSN reconnects you to a faster server. And that's it. These quick fixes should speed up your PS5 downloads instantly. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming fixes, and comment below if you want a video on boosting your gameplay speed too. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.